Okay everybody, welcome back to part 11. As you can see, I'm in an empty garage. It runs, it actually runs. We'll go back and, and show you how we got it running, sort of. Stop. Got smoke coming from it.
From what?
Coil. Oh.
From the coil?
Yeah. There was smoke coming from there.
Back to life now.
That's completely wrong.
Still turn over.
That wasn't turning. That was just a solenoid. Well, bearing in mind we was trying to tinker with a lot of things and we didn't want you guys watching hours and hours of footage of just little things. So we'll go back to the engine and we'll have a look. But I think I lost a bet with Sam. I said I think 6 times. We'll tell you at the end how many times it actually took to fire it off, but it was pretty cool. So yeah, Sam's just excited, and as you can see, if I show you, there it is, it's outside. We didn't actually drive it out, we pushed it out. We've got issues with the clutch, gearbox and all that sort of stuff. But we knew we'd have that. You know, we had one big job and that was to get it running. Now we've got 100 little jobs. Brakes are obviously a major thing, and all the little niff-naff and trivia. There's an exhaust leak on the car, but nothing major. So what I'll do now is I'll cut back to the original video of us going, and it's starting and Sam being all excited and me being all excited. You might have to excuse the quality of the video because we did it with my phone. We didn't have this camera with us, so sit back, enjoy, and yeah, so it only took us 11 parts to do it. So. She really runs, man. Yeah. Smile for the camera. Yes, he runs. Don't believe it. Yeah, a little bit. It's the exhaust as well. So, but yeah, it's still going to be ongoing because we're going to have videos of the brakes and all sorts of things like that. But
it's alive. It's alive.
A happy man, Sam.
Yeah, very.
So yeah, that's well, let me get the camera right. That's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, just got to figure out why the clutch pedal is so low. I presume it's right on the bell housing, but I think something else may have moved, so we need to have a look at that.
So yeah, this is going to be a bit of a jointy video because we was using phones and we got all excited and I think I weed a little bit.
Well, we weren't expecting to. We were seeing if the battery was flat and it just fired instantly. So
yeah, we thought. Yeah, we was just checking out a few things, which we'll go into detail with anyway. But we yeah, we've got it going. So I'll show you around the engine bay now, and you can see. Oh, nice. So yeah, all connected. Distributor cap, batteries all connected. Everything's connected. Radiator's full. Everything. It runs. It just doesn't want to idle, does it?
No. So I presume the carburetor, it's been sat without anything over it, so it may have got some shit in it. Quite possible.
Not a major drama, so happy days. So yeah. Now Sam's going to attempt to start the car again and maybe pull it forward. Brake to starts first time on the key. That's what you get for doing a good engine rebuild. Sounds better. Then it dies. Idling.
Just trying to get some heat into the engine. Get something showing on the temperature gauge.
Yeah, what you got on it in a minute?
It's not on there yet.
Nah. I think that's fuel starvation, don't you? Like you're saying.
Sounds like it. Just goes to die if I try and leave it the same revs. Like if I leave it 2,000 revs now.
Yeah, it just dies, doesn't it?
Something not quite right, but it's doing something. So.
Well, we had the engine in bits, so.
Sounds nice and quiet though.
It's sounding really nice once it's on. That exhaust leak's looking a bit. Yeah, you got a little bit of an exhaust leak. From there and there. Looking good though. Oh, go on lad, go for a drive.
I'm going to take you around the bike shed, I think.
Yeah, do it. Right, and I'm going to follow him. Well, sort of. Amazing. Amazing. Thing is though, we don't have any brakes, so this could be quite interesting. Hey! And he's off again. Well, he'll be an happy man. No brakes though, so shh. But it's alright, we're on private property anyway. It should be good. Oh, he comes again, look, round two. He's a happy, happy man. Have you got reverse? Yes, he has! Hang on, hang on. He's only going to reverse into his garage. Do you want to go again, or just give that engine a bit of a run? I think you should, mate. Couple more laps. Not as it is. He's off. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. It's not far off though, is it? He's running, mate. Oh, died. Right, so that's the end of this video. We're now going to investigate for the next video and what we need to do next. So,
oh god.
So Sam's going to get in.
Get in just there.
But yeah, so that's the end of the part 11. So we'll see you in part 12, eh Sam?
Yep.
Bye.